much for joining me on my first glossy lid eyeshadow look. We're jumping right in with the color Sienna, and this is going to be my base and transition color for my glossy lid today. I'm so excited, you guys don't even know. And then we're going to go in with my Mary Kay Lip Shine, and we're going to mix it with some of my colors Sydney and my Morphe Hey Girl Hey palette. I'm going to mix these two and get a very creamy and glossy orange. After I mix these two, I'm going in with my MAC 239 brush, and I'm going to start patting this eyeshadow in gloss where I want it. I'm not going to really spread it because I want it to be very glossy and even distributed. Because you have a glossy lid, you will get like creases, so that's normal if you get creases. After I do the first application, I go back in with dry shadow, pat it on top, and then go in with some more gloss because I need this to be like hella glossy. So I just repeated this step on the other eye, and then I'm going in with my Sephora Baked highlighter, and I'm just applying this right in my tear duct. I'm also going to put some of the highlighter onto my brow bone, and then I'm going to use my INB Iconic Lashes in the style Glam Icon and line up my bottom lash line with some of my transition color. You guys know that this helps with just bringing the whole look together. Now I'm applying some of my Maybelline lip gloss. This is the duo lip gloss, so it has like a lip gloss and a lipstick. And I'm just going to apply both of these onto my lips. And I really didn't like this lipstick. It didn't really cover my lips much. It was very sheer. So is the lip gloss. So it's kind of pointless to me, but it's a very nude lip gloss. It's pretty or whatever. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for coming to watch. I know this tutorial was super fast, but that's a good thing. I wanted to show you how I achieved my first glossy lid, and you just want everything to be glossy and popping, so I'm popping on some more highlighter. Thank you guys so much for coming to watch, and please subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.